Hello and happy Friday! Join us as we bring you the latest on the markets today, brought to you by FX. Here are today's financial headlines.
Meta stock rose 1.4% on Thursday to $727, driven by investor confidence in its AI and advertising momentum, which pushed shares to fresh highs. On Thursday, the Dow Jones rose 0.1%, the S&P 500 gained 0.2%, and the Nasdaq Composite advanced 0.4%, with technology stocks leading the rally on AI-driven momentum. Gasoline futures in the U.S. tumbled below $1.85 per gallon in early October, marking the lowest level in over 5 years, as a fresh wave of crude supply and softer demand for refined fuels squeezed margins and removed seasonal support. The Canadian dollar weakened close to 1.4 per US dollar, the lowest since May, as softer domestic data increased expectations of further Bank of Canada easing and oil prices retreated. Bitcoin surged past $120,000 this week, driven by seasonal momentum and growing institutional demand, including significant ETF inflows and treasury purchases. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 2 p.m., the Services Purchasing Managers Index in the U.S. is expected to decrease, after reaching 52 in August. Monday's major economic events. At 9 a.m., the Euro area to release the retail sales for August, following minus 0.5% in July. At 11:30 p.m., Australia will release figures for the Consumer Confidence Change of October, following minus 3.1% in September.
And that's it for this week's Market News Roundup, presented by FX. Thanks for joining us, and see you again next week as we bring you the latest market news and insights. We wish you a great weekend.